Ew.
Yeah, you're pretty smart. You have pretty teeth.
Thank you.
Yeah, very much.
No.
This is a classic example that you should not blindly believe in the white, pearly, perfect teeth of your favorite celebs. They all have been some way or the other aesthetically enhanced by their favorite dentist. On that note, let's begin. I'm reviewing a teeth whitening kit, Muskan, that I personally used for 9 applications to receive, as they say, a brighter, white, beautiful smile. Muskan provided me with a whitening gel, LED light as an accelerator, a mouthpiece, and a shade guide. Must say, a product very similar to the one called High Smile was endorsed by many social media influencers, especially Kylie Jenner, that created quite a buzz in 2016. The constituents to both these products are similar. Although the LED light of High Smile was claimed to be only a gimmick that played no essential role in whitening of teeth or acceleration of the gel, Muskan, however, has a different say on this. Muskan's representative had told me that I don't necessarily need an oral prophylaxis, but the dentist in me got apprehensive and went ahead for a thorough oral examination, scaling and polishing my teeth anyway. I cut my caffeine intake from the very day till the end. To receive a fair observation on my changing shade, I made different people rate my teeth according to the shade guide Muskan had provided.
It's that पहिल्यै छ त धेरै भएछ भन्नाले मलाई त्यस्तो खासै सेतो त लागेन 8 छ 8 नै छ
When I started using the product at a shade 8, according to the guide, I didn't experience any sensitivity or gum irritation in the first 5 days. My fellow dentist even recorded my shade reaching up to 5 in the 6th day.
5, 6.
6 6.
6. के 5.
5 देखि नै ठिक थियो
5 र 6 मध्ये
The excitement, however, fell apart when my sensitivity peaked apace on day 8 out of nowhere. From using desensitizing toothpaste to still giving the product a complete chance and a fair review, my journey with Muskan ended with 9th application and a shade still at 5. The product still had a lot to prove. From day 10th, I resumed back to a cup of coffee and normal oral hygiene maintenance. On day 10, I observed that my central incisors were comparatively brighter and whiter in respect to the adjacents. My left lateral incisor, which is somewhat malaligned, along with my canines, seemed to be slightly yellowish and a shade darker than the rest. This made me wonder on the effectiveness of this product on malaligned teeth, which is quite common amongst most of us. One has been fairly warned about the possible gum irritation in the manual, which I luckily didn't face. At a dentist, this is avoided with a gum dam barrier gel. The objective of this product isn't to provide a uniform whitening in teeth already laden with cavity decay, calculus, and heavy stains. They, I highlight, must be removed only by a professional. The representative had informed about tooth shade going back to original in around 3 weeks. I recorded mine going back gradually to 8th shade in 2 weeks. The whitened teeth, as their representative said, must be maintained with the whitening gel applied once a month. There are a few shortcomings of the product that I request the team to ponder upon, but from an individual experience, I'd say the kit did whiten my teeth, which may differ to someone else's experience. It's not as appreciable in the pictures, but comparing to the shade guide and having a live perception, the product did deliver its objective, whiten my teeth at home. Having said this, I recommend you to visit your dentist before starting on this product. The instructions are clear to follow. This can definitely be used as a home whitening system, but please know your real dental problem first. Best wishes to the team.